Welcome back to Private Lesson Matters. Today we're going to talk about how to play Perpetual Motion with hook bow. So if you remember, hook bow is going to be down, down, or up, up. So what we're going to do is play each note down, down, and then next note up, up, and keep going back and forth, switching that. So here we go. We're going to take a little pause between each note so we can get the bow ready for the next hook bow. Here we go. First note A. 1, 2, 2 again. 1, 2, 3, 3 again. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, E, E. And there you go. So now we've practiced it with pauses, and that's one thing you want to do, and that will make it easier to be able to get it to flow. So once we do that a few times, we can try to do it without the pauses, or just a barely small pause. Here we go. A, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, E, E. There we go. So now we took out the long pause and made it a barely of a pause, barely paused at all, small rest. And now we're ready to put it together and just let it flow. So here we go. Same speed. We're not in a hurry yet. We can do this faster speed later. Here we go. Ready? And A, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1. A little faster, ready, go. There we go. So that's part one, the first little section of Perpetual Motion with hook bow. You want to do that for part one until it's easy, and then go on to the next part of the song until you piece it all together and it just flows easily for you to play with the hook bow. All right, I hope that was helpful. Please subscribe and come back next time for the next video. Bye.